Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must confirm the keyboard supports Bluetooth or direct USB host mode. Many wireless models require a dongle, so check the label or manual. Once done, charge the keyboard above 50% and enable pairing or USB host mode. There is usually a dedicated button or FN combo. Make sure your computer, tablet, or phone is unlocked, Bluetooth enabled, and within 1 to 3 meters. This first step ensures you're not chasing power or compatibility problems once you begin pairing. Now you pair or connect. If using Bluetooth, open your device's Bluetooth settings, start scanning, and select the keyboard name that appears. When prompted, enter the on-screen PIN or press enter on the keyboard. This confirms trust. If using USB AUX, attach the correct OTG adapter and plug the keyboard's cable directly into your device. Wait for the system to enumerate the HID device. Make sure drivers are current. Missing drivers cause basic input only or no response, so update and retry. Finish by testing every key and any multimedia functions. Some keys need a driver or app to work. If keys are missing or behave oddly, restart your device and repair to clear temporary errors. If that fails, reset the keyboard by holding the power and pair buttons for 10 to 15 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears cached links. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, remove old Bluetooth entries from the device and the keyboard before attempting a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.